Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. We're here in another unboxing video. And for this one, we're going to unbox Marvel Legends X-Force. Specifically, we're going to unbox Rictor. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Okay, so before we go and unbox Rictor, as always, let's take a look at the box. So we have here Marvel Legends series X-Force. This is a 3-pack, but you can see there's only 2 in the pack, okay, because I did not get Marvel's Domino. So meaning I purchased this as a group buy. I already have a Domino, the older Domino, which I like better than what's included in this X-Force box. So I only got Rictor and Marvel's Cannonball. So let's take a look. On one side we see the cards, illustration, the same, and at the back we see the cards in bigger versions. So as I said, for this one, we're only gonna be unboxing Rictor. But before that, let's take a look at Rictor in Heroclix form. And I just found out, and I was surprised also to find out that there's only 2 Rictors that has been made in Heroclix form. And the first one is from the Wolverine and the X-Men Set. Okay, so and this is the Rictor for that set. Okay, I actually also have Rictor. Okay. So he has closed clapped hands rather. Okay, so from the Wolverine and X-Men Set. So he is set number 14, okay, 58 points. And let's take a look at his keywords: Detective, New Mutants, X-Corps, X-Factor, and of course X-Force. And he has a trait, Reunited Duo. When Rictor is adjacent to a friendly character named Shatterstar, they both modify their attack values by +1 if not already modified by this effect. So meaning, he works well with Shatterstar. Okay, I think they have a relationship even in the comics, more than friends. Not sure. And then an attack power, which is Seismic Shock. Rictor can use Quake. He can use it normally, or he may instead use it to target each opposing character along a direct line of fire within his range. This line of fire ignores character. So that might have been represented by this. So he can clap his hands and there will be an earthquake along the direct line of fire, okay, from Rictor. And this is his combat values. So 2 damage, but the good thing is that for Quake, it's only 2 damage anyway, and it's exploit. So it's good. Charge Quake in entire direct line. Okay. So you can attack even characters in the base. Okay. I like it. I actually like it for 58 points. Okay. And the other Rictor figure that we have is from the House of X set. Okay, so this is a super rare, and this is the figure. So you can see it's much bigger than the old one. Okay, a bigger scale was implemented during the House of X, and Rictor has been refashioned into, I think he's now a druid, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, or at least he has an affinity with the druids. Okay, so you can see the sculpt. Okay, there's even great details inside the spears here. I think that's his hand. Okay, inside. So that's the beauty of bigger sculpt. So you can add some more details like that. Okay. Let's take a look at his card. So Rictor is set number 62, Excalibur, New Mutants, X-Factor, X-Force, X-Men, and Mystical. In the House of X, he usually joins the Excalibur team. So real name is Julio Richter from the Richter scale. Improved movement, blocking outdoors. So he can phase through blocking. Okay, through outdoor blocking. Okay, I hope I got that right. And he has a couple of traits: Excalibur Mystical Protectors, which grants him mystics but only triggers during ranged attacks. So, and he also has protected mystics. Another trait is I know a thing or two about moving earth. So barrier, and then barrier as free but only to generate one blocking terrain. When Richter uses barrier after resolutions, you may remove one blocking terrain marker adjacent to the generated markers. So he can also destroy a barrier, blocking terrains. Okay. And special attack, I am everywhere you have ever stood, Quake. When Richter uses it, he may also target opposing characters within range that are adjacent to squares of blocking terrain. So that's really good, especially because he generates one free barrier. So in a sense, he can use Quake longer range, which is 6. Okay, typically Quake is for close combat, but he can use it 6 range because of that. And making it adjacent, that would also actually extend it to, no, 6 only. Okay. Okay, so you might want to get an indoor map for Rictor so that you have a lot of blocking. So significance of appearance is Excalibur number 3 together with Apocalypse and the Excalibur team. So Apocalypse has been interested in Rictor in this story. So that's his combat values. So you can see only for 40 points, you get 9, 11, 18 with super senses and 3 damage. So release 2020. So there's only 2. It means we are complete in terms of Rictor Heroclix collection. But enough with that, and let's go ahead with our main event. Okay, let's take out Rictor from the clamshell. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay, I can't seem to find a good entry point here. Let's take out the tape. I don't keep the boxes anyway, so I can just destroy them. Okay, so we're not gonna do Cannonball. We're gonna do him in another video. So we're interested to get Rictor. Okay, so Rictor is mint on the clamshell, and he comes with a couple of effects, okay, for his Quake, and then alternate hands, straight arms, okay, straight fingers, just like this, okay. But his uniform is closer to this one, not exactly, but just closer. So let's see. This looks different from the Heroclix versions. So it might be good if we get a Heroclix version similar to this. So let's take out the figure. Apologies for the sound that you will hear in 3, 2, 1. There you go. He pops off nicely. Let's take out the effects. Okay. I really like this figure because of the effects. Okay, you can use this effect in other figures. Okay, for Polaris example, this would work nicely because it's green. And then the alternate arms, yeah, this fits him for his abilities. So let's take a look at the figure. So very manly face, but the hair is long haired. Okay. Okay, the scarf. Okay, the scarf would have been better if it's removable from the shoulder pads. Okay. So yeah, seems tight. Okay, and let's see how we can pose him. Let's pose him, since this is closest, so let's pose him like this so that we can add the effects. Okay, pose him a little like that. Then the other knee starts to go down. Okay, body is tilted and head is tilted like this. And then the arms stretch out. Let's see if we can position it. Okay. And then add the effect as substitute for those circles. Okay. Yeah. So that should do it for Rictor. Like this. Okay. Yan. Okay. So it's a bit hard to keep him standing. That's totally fine. I'm just gonna hold him like this, and we are ending the video. Again, I hope you like Rictor. Okay, please share your thoughts at the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.